Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an alternator. First, gather your essential tools, including a socket set, various wrenches, and a serpentine belt tool. Safety is paramount, so ensure your vehicle is securely supported on jack stands. Before touching any electrical components, always disconnect the negative battery terminal. This crucial step prevents accidental electrical shorts and ensures your safety throughout the repair process. Now, let's get to the removal. Begin by carefully releasing the tension on the serpentine belt using a specialized tool, then remove the belt from the alternator pulley. Next, disconnect all electrical connections. This usually includes the main power wire and a smaller regulator plug. Finally, unbolt the 2 or 3 mounting bolts that secure the alternator to the engine bracket. Once free, carefully maneuver the old alternator out of its position. With the old unit out, it's time for the new alternator. Carefully position the new alternator into its mounting bracket, ensuring all bolt holes align perfectly. Insert and hand tighten the 2 or 3 mounting bolts, then use your wrench to secure them firmly, but do not over-tighten. Reconnect all electrical wires, making sure the main power wire and the regulator plug are securely attached. Double-check all connections for tightness. Almost done? Now, carefully reroute and reinstall the serpentine belt onto all the pulleys, ensuring it's properly seated and tensioned. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, making sure it's clean and tight. Before lowering your vehicle, start the engine and observe your dashboard. Look for any battery or charging system warning lights. If no lights appear, let the engine run for a few minutes to confirm proper operation, then you are good to go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.